What can your operation do to keep your facility operating at top efficiency while keeping your workers safe from falling objects, help you stay NFPA compliant, and prevent facility structure damage? SpaceGuard Products' BeastWire Rack Safety Panel System, with its 4 styles of brackets, will provide secure storage while keeping your facility accidents down. This warehouse aisle is highly traveled by walking employees and moving equipment. Falling objects from the rack above should be a key concern for management. Loosely loaded pallets being placed on or picked up from racks by forklifts, reach, or narrow aisle trucks can cause safety hazards. This common accident could have easily been avoided with BeastWire Rack Safety Panels guarding the back of the storage rack. BeastWire's 10 or 6 gauge wire mesh panels easily attach to storage racks to secure boxes and unit loads to avoid hazards. Highly active and fast-moving pick stations are very common in today's factories and warehouses to meet today's demands of next-day product delivery. This demand on businesses and their employees creates an environment that is fast-paced, leading to workers being focused on the task at hand and not paying attention to their surroundings, creating unsafe workplace conditions. Accidents like this can happen frequently due to damaged equipment or hurried and unfocused workers. BeastWire Rack Safety Panels are affordable and easy to install and can prevent accidents like this from happening in your facility tomorrow. Secure, guard, and protect your people, inventory, and building with BeastWire today.